Hi, I'm Dennis. I'm 21 years old. I'm a pre-med student, and I'm here for rhinoplasty. The primary reason for having rhinoplasty is because I don't like the shape of my nose. It's big and it's like droopy, so it's kind of like, you know, falling. And also for, health reasons, because most of the time I'm breathing like through one nostril, and it feels like I'm like getting like half the amount of air that my body needs. So it's like, it's horrible. Well, I was surfing the web, and that's when I stumbled upon Dr. Rawnsley's website, and I read his About Me section, and I noticed that he was the founder of the UCLA Facial Aesthetic Center. I went over the videos and the before and after pictures, and I was like, yeah, this is the guy, this is the guy. Dr. Rawnsley took some pictures, and then he did some digital imaging on a computer. I told Dr. Rawnsley what it was that I didn't like about my nose. And so he basically worked with me, to get the right nose for me. He just did some tweaking around in the computer, and then afterwards he showed me how it is that I'm gonna look like afterwards. And I was really excited, I really did like what he did. So I'm having surgery in about a month with Dr. Rawnsley, and I just can't wait to see the results. I'm super excited. I had surgery with Dr. Rawnsley about 6 months ago, and I love the results. The cast came off about 1 week after surgery, and within weeks I started noticing my nose was beginning to heal, and the swelling was going down, and I could tell it was amazing. It was an amazing job, and I'm truly happy with the results. Before surgery, Dr. Rawnsley recommended that I should have a small chin implant because it would just make things look much more natural with my nose, and I'm so glad that he suggested that to me because it really does make a difference. My face is so much more symmetrical now. I was so surprised to see how the computer imaging and the actual results, how similar they were to each other, because I wasn't really expecting it to be like exactly the same, but they appear to be just as planned. What I love about Dr. Rawnsley is that he gives you the nose that is just perfect for you. I mean, he takes into consideration your ethnicity, your gender. So, I mean, he didn't give me like a small, skinny nose that doesn't fit with my ethnicity. He gave me something that's very natural, as you can see, and I love it. And that's what I love about Dr. Rawnsley. Before surgery, I was really self-conscious about myself. I would always feel like people are just staring at my nose and not really looking past that. And now after surgery, I feel like that doesn't really matter anymore because I know how great it looks and how natural it looks. I have so much more confidence in myself now. I feel like I can do anything without having to worry about how I look. I'm so glad I decided to have rhinoplasty with Dr. Rawnsley, and I love the results.